Goose Baby.
Hey. Oh, zebras, come on. Zebras are coming. Come on, Bob. Zebras. Dad, don't. Come. Dad, don't. Come, they see.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I told you. He did that.
I love zebras.
I love zebras too.
There's more what?
More.
Look out your window, Mimi.
Can I feed him?
No, right here. Look out this
very
window.
Carefully, yes. Don't put your fingers in here. Take it, eat it.
What do you see?
I love him. You too.
You love them?
I love Batman and Batman.
Oh, Mimi, you're so nice.
Mom,
Who do you love, Mimi?
Batman and Batman.
All those llamas? I think this one might be a mama.
I want to feed him.